There you go, that one was perfect. Oh, I almost had it. This is what they subscribed for. Best $30 ramp ever. Ah, you missed. Even with all the flags. Looks like this backflips really easily. Yeah, try it. Can't really crash it harder than it's already been crashed. You can use reverse if it's not coming around, just be ready to catch it quickly. Because you really don't want to land with it in reverse, even though I've done that with the Maxx several times. You want to try a double backflip or no? You need to go a little bit higher than that if you're going to try that.
I mean, I think I did 2.5.
Learning how to back. Step 1, use a ramp that's way steeper than you think you need. Step 2, almost hit yourself in the face with the Maxx. So you really don't have to hit this all that fast because the ramp is at a pretty severe angle to the ground. Okay, I have to back up to get this in frame. Sure, the camera loves switching between light and dark. So far, I still haven't broken anything on this somehow. Oh, barely got it around. Sure, this video looks amazing going from bright sunshine into the shadow of the house. Got our friendly neighborhood farmer harvesting the field now. Some nice noise in the background to launching the Maxx. Flips pretty easily. Front flip, question mark? Perfect. Right on the wheels. Oh, missed the ramp. Oh, upside down, reset. Still haven't broken anything on it. It doesn't really handle too well in grass. It flips easy, but it does stunts very easily. And it's very durable. Oh! Almost jumped it into the trash barrel. Some nasty stuff in there you probably don't want to land the car in. I'm going to stand downrange now in the shadows and hope she doesn't hit me. Ooh, lawn darted that one pretty hard. Coming around for another jump. Almost a perfect front flip. I keep moving downrange and hopefully I can get more of this in frame. Another little jump. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. Pretty good backflip. Sure, this is the content everybody came here to enjoy. It's this MX versus ATV reflex of jumping toy cars over a ramp. Oh, there. Oh, kind of a rough landing. Coming around again. Much bigger backflip, and it's on the roof. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Guy over there is coming around to harvest the next field or make another pass. We're going to leave the video off there. If you guys want to see part 2 bashing around some of the other cars we have, let me know and we'll upload more videos. This is our first attempt at a ramp we built in probably 20 minutes with a sheet of OSB, a couple 2x4s, and some masonite. If y'all want to see more, we can build some other ramps and try and make a little fun course or something out here since we have the racetrack over there somewhere. We have a racetrack over there. As crashes again. But yeah, if you guys want to see more, let me know. We've got this little dirt jump here that we're probably literally never going to use now that we have this nice wooden one, and our little racetracks over there. But if you want to see more, let me know. If not, then don't say anything and we'll stop there. Subscribe for more. See you guys later. Thanks for watching.